Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3.11, Geometry. Today we will be analyzing shapes. So let's take a look at 2D shapes. What are 2D shapes? We have circle, square, triangle, rhombus, oval, pentagon, rectangle. And we also have what we call 3D shapes, which includes sphere, cube, triangular prism, cone, cylinder, pyramid, rectangular prism. So all these are called shapes, but we have 2D shapes and 3D shapes. There are other shapes that can be drawn like this, 3D shapes. We have tetrahedron, tetrahedron, square pyramid, hexagon, pyramid, cube, cuboid, triangular pyramid, octahedron, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, dodecahedron, sphere, ellipsoid, icosahedron, cone, and cylinder. All these have, for example, the tetrahedron has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. The square pyramid has 8 edges, 5 faces, 5 vertices. So now let's go on to the next one. These are other shapes as well, just in a different black and white. Just like what we have here. So let's go with the names again. Tetrahedron, square pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, cube, cuboid, triangular prism, octahedron, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, dodecahedron, sphere, ellipsoid, icosahedron, cone, and cylinder. Shapes come in different forms, just like objects that we have in our toys and objects we use at home. These are triangular prism. These are cones. These are square pyramid. These are spheres. These are cubes. These are rectangular prism. These are cylinder, and these are triangular pyramid. So now let's go on to the warm-up. What type of shape is this? Very good. This is a triangle. If we turn it around, does it become a different shape or stay the same shape? When we turn it around, it's still the same shape, triangle, because tri comes from three, a Greek word, tres, because it's got 3 faces, 1, 2, 3, 3 faces. That is why we call it triangle. And it's got 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, 3 angles. So all of these objects are called triangle. Now let's go on to the workout. Look at the shapes below. Write T inside each triangle. Write C inside each circle, write E inside each ellipse. Some shapes will not have a letter inside them. So let's take a look at the objects one by one, or the shapes one by one. Part A, this has three faces, 1, 2, 3, and three edges, 1, 2, 3. So it is a triangle. So write T. Part B, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 faces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 edges. So it is a quadrilateral. So we're not going to write any letter here because there is no letter for quadrilateral. This is a circle. So we're going to write C. Part D, this is ellipse. Ellipse, so we're going to write E. Part E, three sides, 1, 2, 3, 3 faces and 3 edges. So it is a triangle. And this is oval or ellipse. So we write E, ellipse. G, we have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. So that is a pentagon. So we don't have any word for pentagon. And H, part H, it is a circle. So we write C. There you have it. So let's go on to number 2. Look at the shapes below. Draw, tick inside each quadrilateral. What is the characteristic of a quadrilateral? It has 4 faces, 4 faces, and 4 edges, 4 edges. 4 faces and 4 edges. That is quadrilateral. 4 quadrilateral. So now let's take a look. Part A, we have how many sides? How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a quadrilateral. We take. B, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a quadrilateral. Part C, no face, only a curved faces. It's got curved faces, curved face, so we are not going to check that. Part D, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a quadrilateral. Part E, 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle, so no need to check because this is a triangle, not a quadrilateral. Part F, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 straight faces and 1 curved face. So that is not a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral must have 4 straight faces. 4 straight faces. So part G, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a quadrilateral? Yes. And part H, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But not, the edges are not straight. They are curved edges. So it is not a quadrilateral. Now let's go on to number 3. Read the clues and circle the matching shape. So these are the clue. It is a triangle. So it is a triangle. We have how many triangles? We have 1, 2. Then what else? It is a closed shape. This is not closed, so we have 1, 2 that are closed triangles. And number 4, the next one, all sides are the same length. This side are the same, but this is not the same. It's longer than these two, so it's not. For this, they look the same length. They're all the same. So the right shape to circle is this triangle. It is a triangle. It is a closed shape, closed. All sides are the same length. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Draw a line to match each shape with its name. Not all shapes have a match. So for rectangle has 2 equal sides, parallel sides. So this is a rectangle. Square, this is a square. 4 equal sides. Circle, this is a circle. Triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral, so there is no quadrilateral. Ellipse, this is ellipse. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon, there is no pentagon there. So that is all we have. Now let's go on to practice 3.11. Look at the shapes below. Write T inside each triangle, C inside each circle, E inside each ellipse. Some shapes will not have a letter inside them. So for number 1, I want the student to do it yourself. And then come back and check the correction. Go and do it yourself first. Pause this video, do it yourself, and come back and check the correction. So now let's take a look at the correction. This is a circle, we write C. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, quadrilateral. This is oval, ellipse. This is a triangle, we write T. Triangle, and this is like half cone, or cone. Number 2. Look at the shapes below. Draw this inside, draw the check inside each quadrilateral and cross inside each non-quadrilateral. So we check the quadrilaterals, we cross out the non-quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. There you have it, folks. Check your answers and do the necessary correction.